The health department has partnered with Neighborhood and Community Services to offer community-based flu clinics throughout the county at several of their senior centers. We're very excited to be able to bring this service to the community. It is especially important this flu season because COVID-19 and flu have very similar symptoms. And it's very important that we take advantage of the flu vaccine to protect ourselves against the flu so that we don't overburden the healthcare system with individuals who have serious complications of the flu, because they're already taxed right now responding to COVID-19. And it's important for people to understand that individuals that are 65 and older are more at risk for serious complications of the flu, to include hospitalizations. In fact, up to 70% of the individuals who are hospitalized are 65 and older for flu complications.
Well, I used to be a nurse, and this is very important. It would be for anyone who's my age, come and get the shot. I'm 83 and I need to stay in shape as much as I can, so.
We are taking every precaution at our clinics to create a safe environment for individuals to come get their vaccine. And by that I mean we screen individuals before they come to the clinic, and we also screen them at the day of the clinic. So if they have symptoms or a fever, they're rescheduled for their appointment. We are also adhering to all the precautionary measures that CDC recommends, like social distancing at the sites. The flu clinic is offered only through appointment, and this allows us to control the flow of individuals that are coming for the flu vaccine. We also are requiring everyone to wear a mask, and all of the healthcare providers are also wearing PPE, or personal protective equipment, to protect themselves and also protect the clients who are seeking the flu vaccine. So for more information, you can give us a call, or you can visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov/health/flu.